Hello guys, my name is JC Summer. Today I'm gonna teach you on how to solve the problem if in case the battery icon on your laptop or in your computer is missing. You have to do these two options. Just like what happened to my laptop now, there's no battery icons on my taskbar. So the first options we have to do is to go to settings of your taskbar. Just right click on empty space and then settings and scroll it down, going to turn system icons on or off and find power. So in my case, the bottom or the toggle switch here is deactivated, so I couldn't touch. So let's go to the second options. Just right click on the window button and go to the BIOS manager. Okay, there we go. The BIOS manager is here. Still loading. Okay. Go to batteries. Expand this one. And then after that, these two options here, we need to reset this one by disabling. So we have to disable this one and the other one also. Okay, they are now both disabled. So after that, we have to enable again in order to show the battery icons here on our taskbar. So okay, it's now already enabled, and let's check now on our taskbar. Here we go guys, the battery icons now in my taskbar. So guys, if this video helped you a lot, please don't forget to like and share, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.